Have you ever wanted a tactile switch, but you're just stuck with linears? Watch this video. Parts right here are from the Acco Mancha CS Green, and here's how to turn the tactiles. You know, I've really stepped up in my game in the keyboard community, but one thing I found out was that even though there's more linear options, so there's much more variety for typists, tactiles are just so much more better, and I prefer a tactile at this point. So how do you do this? Well, a little bit of paper and some scissors. And that's all you need. All you want to do is get the tiny piece of paper and put it into behind the leaf. And how you want to do that is like this. Now here it practically is. As you can see, if I could just get this in right. Hopefully, as you can see now, that when pushing down, you can see a tiny little bump happening. I never used a real tactile in my life, so I don't know really how to rate these, but you can definitely feel them. Here as it is in linear form, see no paper, no bump in it at all. For the final result, is it that much more tactile? Well, first of all, I'm using a linear switch, and linear switches use different leaves than tactiles, so a linear switch, it still feels quite linear, but you can still feel the tactile, like nearly like a brown, but it's a little bit more tactile than a brown. See? Smooth. And this one, smooth as well with a little tiny bump you can see. I mean, if you have a tactile switch like the Browns, you can use this mod to make like 10 times better. I would recommend. But for linears, no way unless if like you really want Squarespace, because here's the sound difference. Normal, non-modded, modded. So how would I rate this? About a 7, 6 out of 10. Works, but it's not the best for it but there's nothing else for it, so that's why it's like a 6. And for mods, for what it is, 10, because there's nothing like it.